Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Jack.
Jack, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Where do you live, Jack?
I live in Sosano.
Very good. Who do you live with?
I live in Map.
You live with your mom. Right, so Jack, look at the pictures here. In my picture, I see there are two lions and they're walking. How about in your picture?
In my picture, I see two lions. They are sleeping.
In my picture, the boy is taking a photo.
In my picture, the boy is eating lollipop.
In my picture, the weather is cloudy.
In my picture, the weather is sunny.
In my picture, there are three rabbits.
In my picture, there are two rabbits.
In my picture, the girl is wearing a pair of trousers.
In my picture, the girl is wearing a black skirt and yellow shoes.
In my picture, the girl is carrying a handbag.
In my picture, the girl
Isn't.
isn't wearing a handbag.
Now let's talk about year planner. On January 7th, the school gonna start. How about February?
In terms of favorite school trip to aquarium,
March 11th.
a school play.
How about April?
The 4th of April, look, it's a birthday.
When is Aunt Daisy's birthday?
In 1st of May,
When is the school holiday start?
school holiday start is 2nd of July.
When are you gonna visit the grandpa and grandma?
In to visit Grandma and Grandpa is 9th of November.
When is Flo's and Ella's birthday?
On 12th of December.
Very good. Let's talk about the story.
In the picture one, the sport competition. The boy wearing a red t-shirt is Ben. The boy is wearing a blue t-shirt is Bill. In picture two, Ben is faster than Bill. Ben is happy, but Bill is tired. In picture three, Ben is fall down on the
Ben
rock.
fell down.
On the rock. Ben is 13, but and Bill is surprised. In picture four, Bill is at the end first. Bill is happy, but Ben is angry.
Okay, let's get the differences here. Can you tell me?
I think picture one is different because picture one they are ride a bike, and picture two, picture three, picture four is running. I think picture two is different because picture one, picture two, picture four is can fly, but picture two is
What
can't.
is picture two?
Picture two is dinosaur. I think picture one is different because
What is picture one?
one is a clock, picture two is DC, picture three
Disc.
disc,
Yep.
and picture four is pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. And picture four is
Mirror.
mural. The picture one is a square, but picture one, picture two, picture three, and picture four is circle. I think picture four is different because picture one lemonade, picture two milk, and picture three water is drink, but picture four is food.
Rory, let's talk about your favorite animal. What's that?
My favorite animal is panda.
And what's the color of panda?
Panda is white and black.
Where it lives?
Panda is live China.
Panda lives in China, right? Thank you. So let's say goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teachers.
Thank you.